Ever wondered how taxes work? Well, let's dive in. Taxes, in simple terms, are financial charges or levies that a government imposes on its citizens. They're a vital part of any functioning society, serving as the lifeblood of government operations and public services. From building highways and schools to funding healthcare and social security, taxes are essential. In essence, when we pay taxes, we contribute to the collective good and the functioning of our society. So, why do we pay taxes? Let's dig deeper. Imagine a world without public services. No roads, no schools, no hospitals. Sounds chaotic, right? Well, that's precisely why we pay taxes. Taxes serve as the fuel that drives our society, and they're essential for maintaining the public services and facilities we often take for granted. Let's take education as an example. The taxes we pay fund our schools, pay our teachers, and ensure that every child has access to quality education. Similarly, taxes are used to fund healthcare services, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their financial situation, can receive the medical attention they need. Infrastructure, too, is heavily reliant on taxes. The roads we drive on, the bridges we cross, the public parks we enjoy, all of these are made possible thanks to the taxes we pay. And let's not forget about defense. Our taxes fund our military and ensure the safety and security of our nation. Now that we understand why we pay taxes, it's time to discover how the tax process works. The tax process can be a little intimidating, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as you might think. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First off, earning income. It's the initial stage where you make money. This income could come from several sources, such as your salary, business profits, or investments. Each type of income may be taxed differently, and it's crucial to understand these distinctions. Next, you'll file a tax return. This is essentially a form where you report all your income, deductions, and credits. The process begins by gathering all your financial information for the past year. You'll need things like your W-2 from your employer or a 1099 if you're an independent contractor. You'll also need to report any other income you may have earned. Once you've gathered all your information, you'll fill out your tax return. You can do this yourself, use a tax preparation software, or hire a tax professional. The final step is either paying the tax you owe or receiving a refund. If you've paid more tax than you owe throughout the year, you'll get a refund. If you've paid less, you'll owe money. Remember, everyone's tax situation is different. Things like your income, your employment status, and personal circumstances can all impact how much tax you owe. And there you have it, the tax process in 3 simple steps. But what if you make a mistake? Mistakes happen, even with taxes, but don't panic. Most of them are easy to avoid. One common mistake is filing late. Remember, the early bird catches the worm, or in this case, avoids penalties. So, get ahead of the game and file your taxes on time. Another common error is not reporting all income. Every penny, dime, and dollar counts. Whether it's from a side gig or an investment, make sure to report all income to avoid any discrepancies. Claiming incorrect deductions is another pitfall. It's like ordering a burger and expecting fries for free. It doesn't work that way. Claim only what you're eligible for. Double-check your receipts, your records, and your calculator. These mistakes may seem daunting, but they're easy to sidestep with a bit of diligence and attention to detail. Understanding taxes can seem overwhelming, but with a bit of knowledge and preparation, you can confidently navigate the tax process. Remember, taxes are vital in building the society we live in. It's not just about paying money, it's about contributing to the community. Now, isn't that something worth paying for?